Guys, today I am going to talk about the next major moves that are going to happen for Bitcoin. You need to be prepared right now because it's starting tonight. So guys, I am going to update you on Bitcoin, Ethereum, traditional markets. I will talk about some more information about what's going on behind the scenes for Bitcoin, everything you need to pay attention to right now if you are at all invested in the crypto space. So welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And with that said guys, Bitcoin has not really done that much since yesterday. However, there's a couple of key things to take away here. The first thing is that we are in a pattern of making at least higher lows. So that is a good sign, and you can also see that we did have a little bit of a try here towards the red line, towards this, and trying to break through it. However, we failed, and right now we had a little bit of a pullback. Let's see if we can keep this trend intact of creating higher lows. That will mean that we will eventually have to break through this red line, and we do have a lot of catalysts actually today even. So you are gonna see big moves for Bitcoin, and it's gonna happen maybe even tonight, but definitely during the next week. So this is what you need to prepare for right now. Now for Ethereum, you can see that we did fail the support, we did go down here, and right now we're making a push trying to break through the previous support now turned into resistance. So for Ethereum, not a good sign that we lost this support. And you can see also right here, we were having a trend of making lower highs. So we had the opposite kind of like making lower highs here for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin, we did have equal highs at least, but then we did have higher lows. So for traditional markets, they are going to open up tonight. So this is some key things you need to prepare for. If the traditional market opens up green, then that could be enough. If we do see a pump here when they open tonight, the futures market, that is going to be enough probably to break us through this red line, and then we can try to make this support again. Okay, so that is one key thing to pay attention to. If the traditional market opens up green, then we could see a breakout above the red line here for Bitcoin. Most likely we are going to see that, and we could see a breakout out of this even if traditional markets go sideways or whatever. But also on the contrary, this is like the perfect setup. If we come down for the traditional markets here and we just go sideways here, we do have the support, which is going to be strong. So yeah, we are below this red line on Bitcoin. So you can see that it's not really aligning that well with traditional markets in the terms of this being support. We're being above support, but Bitcoin being below the big support here. Now, there's someone trying, according to Adam Cochran, there's someone trying to defend this price. You can see that we come down, we have this wick, and then immediately we get bought up. We come down, immediately it goes up. We go down, immediately. So someone is trying to protect this general area. Is there some big whales who have liquidation prices, like at 29,500 or 29,200 or whatever, and they're trying to defend that area? This is what Adam Cochran believes. Now he's comparing this to when FTX got robbed, because they were defending a huge Ethereum position. Basically, they were trying to defend their own positions, Alameda and FTX. So this is probably not going to be in such a huge scale. It's not as much money that is being deployed into the market to try to protect the price. So maybe that is something that we are going to find out. Now, there are huge events coming up this week, guys. Not only do we have the opening of the traditional markets today, which is going to have an impact. From tomorrow, you do have significant events coming up. And on Wednesday, you do have the big one. You have the FOMC rate decision. And more importantly, you have the press conference after the decision. So what are the Fed chair going to say here? Is he going to signal that they are done rate hiking? Is he going to signal that they're going to continue to do so? Well, all of these things are going to have a massive impact on the price. And that is happening on Wednesday. On Thursday, Friday, you have other significant events coming up. And some of the more important ones are actually on Thursday, where you have the European Central Bank rate decision as well. You do have the press conference from the European Central Bank as well. And then on Friday, you do have the inflation rate for the largest economy in Europe, which is Germany, as well as for France. And you do have also the PCE. So you do have some very important data coming out this week, which is going to impact the Bitcoin price definitely. So be prepared for that. As for me, let's take a quick look at the trading strategies here. You can see that the Ethereum bots are right now going like, since the breakdown from Ethereum on that support, the Ethereum bots are still at massive profit, of course. All in all, you can see that it's up $5,000, but right now the position it is holding is minus almost $2,000. And in general, the Bitcoin bots have been doing better than the Ethereum bots here. I mean, the most profitable one is still the Ethereum one right here at 78% profit. But yeah, it's just holding a big position. And if you compare it to the Bitcoin cycle bot, it's only holding minus $577 in loss. This is holding more. So Ethereum in general tends to go up and down in more aggressive swings. So if we do see a big breakout for Bitcoin, then Ethereum is probably going to pick up along with it. And we will see, guys. I'm just keeping these ones as they are right now. They are not really adding more orders right now because Bitcoin is going sideways. But yeah, we will see. If we do see another big major breakdown and making it unlikely for these take profit targets to be hit on the trading strategies, I will adjust. I will try to solve that situation. But we might as well also have a big pump and for the take profits to reach, yeah, to be reached on these bots. And at that point, I can just let these be. So still, we're like in a sideways. We're still in like a no man's land. And so we'll just have to wait and see what the Bitcoin price is going to do here. I do have my buy orders ready on Bybit, by the way, for that. If we do see a flash crash, I do have those orders ready to be filled. If you don't know about them, make sure to watch my previous videos. So guys, that is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.